All we want is freedom. That is all we want. Freedom. Freedom for children to learn. Freedom for men to work. For mothers to love. For a nation to grow. That is all we want. Equality for everyone. You see, I am just one of many. A foot soldier. There will be many more to follow. So there is no court of law, no police force, no army that can stop the tide of revolution from turning. There is no punishment that you can lay on this court. No law from your government that will kill the will of the people. Because we will fight. We will continue to fight until all of our people are free. And maybe we can also free you from yourselves. So, you can hate us, degrade us, torture us, and kill us. But we will fight. And we will be free. One day we will be free. Amandla